Still in the midst of a powerful winter storm, parts of the US Midwest are now blanketed by snow, and there won't be any respite. Further snow has been forecast for some areas, and temperatures could plummet to 30 degrees below zero. The nasty weather, which started on Tuesday, is pushing into the northeast, and it's ruined travel plans for thousands of people. Approximately 100 million in 22 states found themselves in the path of the storm, which was expected to be at its fiercest from late Thursday into Friday morning. Illinois received half a metre or more of snow and severe wind chills, grounding hundreds of flights in and out of Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. In Chicago's urban areas, 373 snowplows have been mobilised to salt and clear roads. On Thursday alone, police in the state of Michigan received over 500 reports of traffic accidents. Some schools, public libraries and other facilities were also suspended due to the heavy snow.